Hey, good morning, guys. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you had a happy Holi. And today is 30th of March, Tuesday, and the time is 9:12. 5 minute हुआ है pre market खत्म होके. And as expected, Nifty is opening gap up owing to the positive global sentiments, and we are opening almost a gap up of 120 points. And Bank Nifty is also gapping up at 33,600 levels. अगर चार्ट देखेंगे तो नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस फॉर निफ्टी इज एट 14,750 लेवल्स एंड दिस लेवल 14,570 580 के जो आसपास लेवल है, दिस शुड नाउ एक्ट एज अ सपोर्टर. द रीजन बीइंग कल का भी हाई था एंड इट वाज द पॉइंट फ्रॉम विच द selling started on the 2 sessions prior. The selling started from this level, so this was a supply zone, and now since this supply zone is being taken out by gapping above that supply zone, even if the market falls to, let's say, 580, it should hold. That's what we are contemplating on. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, the next line of support is somewhere around 33,960. Let's make it 34,000. 34,000 will be the next line of resistance for Bank Nifty, and at the same time, जब बैंक निफ्टी यहां पे गैप अप हो रहा है, कहां पे गैप अप हो रहा है? 33,615 के आसपास गैप अप हो रहा है, राइट? सो विच इज बैंक निफ्टी नीड्स टू बी वॉच्ड, क्योंकि अगर फर्स्ट 5 मिनट में अगर एक अच्छा खासा सेलिंग आ जाता है, देन अगेन द बैंक निफ्टी माइट बी स्टक इन दिस रेंज एंड इट माइट नॉट टेक ऑफ. बट अगर जैसे ओपन होता है, ओपन होते ही अगर ऊपर चला जाता है, तो माई रेंज विल बी अराउंड 34,100. यहां से 34,100 से लेके 33,600, दिस विल बी द 500 पॉइंट रेंज फॉर बैंक निफ्टी. So what we are planning is in Nifty we are taking some higher straddles owing to the positive sentiments, and already ये जो premiums थे already Friday काफी ज्यादा गिर चुके थे, right? I'm not expecting a lot of decay, a weekend decay that should be happening in this straddle, and in particularly in any straddles, क्योंकि उसका like 60-70% of that decay was already incorporated in the Friday's action. 80 point straddle से मतलब निकल गया था Friday. So that's why I tend to think that these option premiums should be stable a bit. We'll be getting, if not high, at least decent option premiums to trade with. All right, guys. What we have done is we have put 2 straddles now. 14,700 का भी straddle डाला है and 14,650 का भी straddle डाला है. दोनों जगह पे 10 lots, 10 straddles we have. We are looking at a 3-point drawdown because since the quantity is 1,500, 4.55k is around 3 to 4 points of drawdown. That's not an issue. ठीक है. What's the plan? The plan would be, अगर market 14,700 को breach करता है, तो then we're gonna shift all this 14,650 straddle to 14,700 straddle. अगर मार्केट डेज लो को ब्रीच करता है, देन वी गोना शिफ्ट ऑल दिस 14,700 straddles to 14,650 straddles. Obviously there has been some sort of an IV spike in the options, but that's not a reason to be worried about, because as long as we are in the range, there is nothing to be worried about. And when it comes to Bank Nifty straddle, they have already collected close to 50 points of decay. Already 50 point decay मिल चुका है. The moment we feel that there might be some sort of an erratic move towards the either side, we'll be coming out of these positions, and the stop loss already डाल के रखा है दोनों जगह पे. So we are looking at around 11k of loss. So if there is some sort of a huge short covering rally, there has been a huge short covering rally towards the IT में काफी ज्यादा रैली आ रही है. So what we're gonna do is we are going to we might have to exit this position. Call IVs are like spiking like anything. Alright, we are looking at around a 20,000 loss now suddenly because of a huge IV spike. and but Bank Nifty is currently wherever it is. So okay, so let's see how the option prices are going to behave here, because suddenly there was a huge IV spike, 14,650 calls. There was a huge IV spike. Like currently we are sitting at on a 14,700 straddle, and we are looking at around 20k of loss, which is around 13 points, 13 to 14 points of a drawdown suddenly. So once the option prices start cooling down, this should ideally come down. So that's what we are expecting. And let's see, guys, the time is 9:50. What we have done is we have shifted half our calls to 14,750 from 14,700, क्योंकि जो 14,700 का कॉल था काफी ज्यादा स्पाइक अप हो रहा था, and because of a huge spike in the call side IV, we are looking at a nice MTM loss which is close to around 10 points. And यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, बैंक निफ्टी में we have already collected close to around 55 points of DK, which is good. जब तक बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर की तरफ या नीचे की तरफ ब्रेकआउट नहीं करता है, so this should be good to hold. But यहाँ पे we are being very agile to make any adjustments, क्योंकि call side IV is spiking a lot, काफी ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है call side IV, and we don't want to sit on that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shift the remaining of the alright. So we got filled. So what we have done, we have shifted our entire calls to 14,750, but the puts are at exactly 14,700. So अभी क्या करना है, 14,700 से लेके should we shift some of the puts to 14,750? That's what we are contemplating on. All right, guys, we have already captured close to around 75 points of DK, 70 points of DK in Bank Nifty straddle. So the moment we breach a pivot, we're going to close this position. And coming to Nifty, suddenly what I've done, the losses have already shot down to, the losses have already come down to around 3k 4k something from 13-14k. मैंने क्या adjustment किया, since these puts crashed a lot in value, मैंने क्या किया, half of these puts I shifted to 14,750. I have a combination of a straddle and a strangle, and we are not gonna sit for long today, because क्योंकि IV का spikes जो है काफी जल्दी आ रहा है, काफी ज्यादा आ रहा है, because there are just 2 days left for the expiry. Yes, the time decay will be on a higher side, but still let's not sit on this for a longer period of time. If you want to take, I am ready to take a small loss also and get out of the positions. Having said that, Bank Nifty is looking slightly reliable because the calls are not at all spiking, right? The calls have just spiked by around 25 points from our entry price. जहां पे हमने एंट्री किए थे, हमने कहां पे शॉर्ट किए थे, 473 के आसपास शॉर्ट किए थे, and now they are at 495, which is just 20 points, and we have already collected around 80 points of DK. But and even Nifty, we are coming close to cost. We are coming back to square one. Even though we have around 14,750 ka put, which might act as a deep in the money option, but since these calls have shot up way higher, I'm expecting some sort of cooling of the VIX from this. So अगर ये हो जाता है, तो there's no need to be worried about these puts spiking up. So that's what I'm betting on, because क्या है, now the market looks slightly balanced. Nifty IT looks like breaking out, and Bank Nifty has taken some sort of a resistance and it's coming down. तो इससे क्या होता है, there will be some sort of a balance for Nifty. मैंने 14,750 पे आधा क्वांटिटी क्यों शिफ्ट किया है, दैट इज टू मैनेज दिस स्पाइक इन द कॉल IVs, क्योंकि जब ये स्पाइक अप होना चालू कर देता है, 14,700 पुट वोंट गिव दैट मच ऑफ अ कॉम्पेंसेशन, इतना कॉम्पेंसेट नहीं करेगा. दैट्स व्हाई आधा क्वांटिटी मैंने 14,750 पुट्स पे शॉर्ट किया है, वेयर द प्रीमियम्स आर ऑन अ स्लाइटली हायर साइड. अगर ये स्पाइक अप हो भी जाता है, लेट्स से दिस स्पाइक्स अप टू अनदर 15%, लाइक 115 120 तक भी आ जाता है, that spike will be managed by this 14,750 put. And मैंने पूरा क्वांटिटी इसलिए नहीं गया because that would be taking a lot of reversal risk. इतना reversal risk लेने के लिए मैं तैयार नहीं हूं. and because of that I have just shorted half of the puts. All right guys, the time is around 10:20 and suddenly we have seen another upward spike. So what we have done is we have shifted all the puts to 14,750 and 14,750 के जो calls थे आधा हमने निकाल के 14,800 calls पे shift किए. We had almost gone into plus 5 or 6,000 and suddenly we are back to around minus 13,000. That is the effect of a huge increase in the call side IV. So अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं, 14,750 के सारे calls को and we are gonna shift some of the puts also to 14,800. Okay, we are looking at around another 16-17k loss here. What? So these calls which are trading at around 120 rupees, they should ideally come down once the IV starts cooling down. That's the point here. We are sitting on two straddles. One is 14,750 straddle and another 14,800 straddle. Since 14,750 is some sort of a resistance, अगर ये breakout हो जाता है तो there won't be lot of time for us to do the adjustments. But यहाँ पे अगर नीचे गिरना start करता है तो again we might have to shift back all our 14,800 puts to 14,700 puts, 750 puts. So that's the this thing now. Premiums wise, of course we are not balanced. 14,800 call is trading at around 90 rupees and 14,800 put is now trading around 138 rupees, which is almost 50% premium. But फिर भी we have kept this, right? We have kept, even now we are sitting on this kind of a skewed premiums because the Nifty looks extremely strong. काफी ज्यादा strong दिख रहा है, especially Nifty IT. It has given some sort of a breakout. Even HDFC is kind of trending. Bank Nifty is also trending higher, and even Reliance is taking some sort of a support, and it is trying to absorb all the selling pressure. So that's the thing, guys. So 750 calls have been completely expanding in the IVs like anything. 14,750 ka call IVs are expanding like anything. Time is exactly 11 o'clock, and what Nifty is doing, it is constantly holding the higher levels. ये जो upper levels है, upper levels पे ही halt कर रहा है. Even Bank Nifty has got some sort of a pullback, and we are expecting a bounce back from 733,800 levels. अगर यहाँ से bounce back आता है, then we'll be looking at closing these positions. We have already captured around 100 points of decay, which is not bad. क्योंकि it's not been even like 2 hours since the market opened. Market open होके अभी तक 2 घंटे भी नहीं हुआ. We have already managed to capture 100 points of decay. So what I'm expecting is, even if we hold on to this position, the risk reward ratio is not that great, because जो 100 points decay देना था वो already 1.5 hours में already दे चुका है. So even if we hold on to this position, I don't expect a good return on this. तो मैं क्या करता हूं, the moment it breaches the days high, यहाँ पे ये डेज हाई को अगर ब्रीच कर देता है, देन आई एम गोइंग टू कम आउट ऑफ द पोजीशंस. बट डेज लो को भी अगर ब्रीच करता है, देन ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू कम आउट ऑफ द पोजीशंस. तो दैट्स द प्लान. डेज हाई भी ब्रीच करे तो मैं वापस आऊंगा, डेज लो भी ब्रीच करेगा तो मैं आई विल बी एक्सिटिंग फ्रॉम दिस पोजीशन. वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैप्चर्ड 100 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डीके. सो कमिंग टू माय निफ्टी पोजीशन, वी आर लुकिंग एट अराउंड 8 points of drawdown. Correct? So that's because of an insanely high IVs of the call options. So that's why what we have done is we have taken quite a bit of reversal risk. तो मतलब क्या है, मतलब मैंने यहाँ पे 14,800 पुट को ना मैं शॉर्ट किया हूं, which is at 135 rupees. तो अगर मार्केट यहां से सडन एक नीचे आ जाता है तो this is obviously in the money. So this will spike up a lot more than any of these calls. 92 rupees and 115 rupees का जो calls जो देने वाला है मुझे, so it would not be compensating this. But why did I take the reversal risk? तो यूजुअली मैंने, इवन इन द ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट्स, वी यूजुअली डोंट प्रीफर टू टेक द रिवर्सल रिस्क, स्पेशली ऑन द पुट साइड, बिकॉज एक सडन सेलिंग प्रेशर कभी भी आ सकता है. बट व्हाई हैव वी टेकन द रिवर्सल रिस्क? इट्स बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज लुकिंग पॉजिटिव एंड मार्केट इतना बड़ा गैप अप होने के बाद इट इज गोइंग फॉर एन अप ट्रेंड. So I'm thinking, so but the price action clearly says that the upward momentum should continue, or at least it has to halt somewhere around these levels. 14,820 से लेके 14,750 के बीच अभी ये halt करना चाहिए without any reversal. So that's why we have taken this 14,800 का put option, which is trading almost 50% higher to the 14,800 puts. Correct. Now इसको adjust कब करना है, इससे मतलब बाहर कब आना है? The moment these levels get breached, 14,735 levels अगर breach हो जाता है, this 14,735 levels जो breach हो जाता है, if that happens, then we are going to come out of all these 14,800 puts and we're going to shift all these puts to 14,750. But calls कहां पे रहेगा? 750 and 800 पे ही रहेगा. So that's the idea for now. जब तक ये होल्ड करेगा, this position is actually good. This position is kind of bullish. अगर मार्केट सडनली एक ऊपर स्पाइक दे देता है, suddenly all this MTM loss will be converted into some gains, क्योंकि this will decay a lot and this will not rise much and this will rise much. But since we have distributed the quantities in such a way, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ना, यहाँ पे 600 है, यहाँ पे 750, यहाँ पे 750 है, यहाँ पे 600 है. So we have positioned in such a way that we are slightly bullish even now, even after the market has rallied almost 1.7 1.8% today. We are still slightly bullish on the market, or at least to say we are not bearish on the market. ठीक है, बुलिश का तो पता नहीं, बट इवन इफ द मार्केट हॉल्ट्स हियर समवेयर अराउंड 750 टू लेके 780 के रेंज में अगर मार्केट हॉल्ट भी कर लेता है, इवन देन वी विल बी लुकिंग एट अनदर 20 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डीके इन दिस. तो 20 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डीके विल आल्सो क्लियर आउट ऑल द लॉसेस एंड इट विल हैव टू पुट अस इन सम decent gains, which is close to around 0.7 to 1% of the deployed capital. So that's what we are looking at. Currently that's what the market is doing. यहाँ पे जो कंसोलिडेशन हुआ था वहीं पे मतलब सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. It's close to 1145 and क्या हुआ है, however we had positioned, it has kind of worked out, right? From almost minus 10-12 k MTM loss, we had almost gone to plus 5k, but again since these puts again spiked back up, we are looking at somewhere around cost to cost. And on the bank nifty front, we are not heading anywhere, but we are very beautifully positioned and we are very safely positioned. Already we have captured 100 points. Suppose let's say even if bank nifty moves in a particular direction ferociously also, we'll be taking home at least 60 points today in this. At least 60 points DK इससे लेना ही लेना है. And on the nifty front, we have cautiously positioned ourselves in 14,750 and 14,800 straddles. So as long as nifty stays above this consolidation zone and 20 EMA के ऊपर, so this is a steeply steeping 20 EMA, correct? Steeply sloping 20 EMA, which is almost sloping around 60 degrees. So this ideally should act as a support. अगर नीचे भी आता है तो this consolidation zone and this should act as a support. If that holds as a support, then there is no need to change any of these positions. But अगर 14 इस हाई को अगर अच्छे वॉल्यूम के साथ अगर तोड़ देता है, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shift all our straddles to 14,800 and we're gonna wait there for the rest of the day, because I'm not seeing a threat of reversal now. That's why इसलिए जब मैंने 14,800 पुट को मैंने शॉर्ट किया था 138 रुपीज पे, उस टाइम भी काफी ज्यादा रिवर्सल रिस्क था, बट आई स्टिल टुक द रिवर्सल रिस्क बिकॉज ऑफ प्राइस एक्शन. मतलब कई लोग क्या करते हैं, नॉन डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडिंग इज ऑल अबाउट, हाँ भाई मतलब ओटीएम के कॉल एंड पुट सेल करो और बैठ जाओ, होप करते वापस रिवर्स हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. नो, यू हैव टू कंसिडर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ प्राइस एक्शन एज वेल. प्राइस एक्शन देख के आपको पोजीशन करना पड़ता है एंड एडजस्टमेंट्स भी इसी तरीके से करना पड़ता है. So having said that, since Nifty is heading higher, Reliance is heading higher, Nifty IT is heading higher, and HDFC is kind of taking support, everything is like slightly moving in tandem. अगर वो हो जाता है तो what we're gonna do is we're gonna completely come out of this 14,750 puts. 14,750 puts से हम बाहर आ जाएंगे and 14,750 कॉल से भी हम बाहर आ जाएंगे. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out of So what we are looking at is we are looking at 14,750 puts and 14,800 calls. So we'll be shorting. We have shifted all we have completely shifted our entire position into a 14,750 and 14,800 triangle. So we have around 200 points left. So as long as the market stays in this range, so there should be some sort of a good decay that we can expect in this. So time is 12:12 and what we have done is हमारा निफ्टी के जो डिस्क्रिशनरी अकाउंट है वहां पे हमने सब पोजीशन क्लोज कर दिए. Why? Because of this candle. Correct? So ideally in an uptrending day, it has to take support at the 20 EMA. But 20 EMA को easily breach कर दिया and Bank Nifty formed a 200 point candle here, 200 point down move candle. So since we had an upside biased straddles, so what we did is we came out of the positions and we'll wait for the markets to stabilize. देखते हैं market किस position पे stabilize होता है and then we're gonna try to re-enter. I'm not sure if I'm gonna re-enter, but I'll try to re-enter with some straddles or strangles. Now Bank Nifty को क्या करेंगे? We are gonna hold on. तो Bank Nifty is in a very great position for us. कैसे है? Because it moved up, didn't take our stop loss, came down, and it's exactly almost close to where our entry point is. The entry point is 33,700 and it's at 33,730. So we have captured a good amount of decay. Now इस point को हम इस Bank Nifty straddle को कब exit करेंगे? If the day's low gets breached, let's say 33,600, 33,550 के नीचे आ जाता है, then we're gonna exit this. Or if it breaches 34,000, ठीक है, 34,000 रख लेते हैं. If it breaches 34,000, we're gonna exit this with whatever profits we have collected. We are not gonna, wait for like I'll get this much profit, I'll trail this. Nothing, no trailing method today. We're gonna just exit this if either the day's high is breached or the day's low is breached. Plus or minus 50 points, I'll give the buffer because of the spikes. Because of the spikes, I'll give plus or 50 points buffers. Okay, all right, guys. हमने क्या किया है? We have taken a position at 14,800 straddle. 14,800 straddle में हमने position build किया है and we have taken very light quantities. Only 750 quantities हमने लिए हैं. So the reason being, already market 2% ऊपर जा चुका है, right? So I'm expecting it should not cross 14,830 or 14,840 levels. And at the same time, Nifty से आज कुछ profits realize नहीं हुआ है and the decay has not been that great. अगर निफ्टी में डीके होना चाहिए तो इट शुड हैपन नाउ. अभी डीके होना चालू हो जाएगा एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई डोंट वांट टू टेक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ ब्रेकआउट रिस्क नाउ. इसलिए क्या किया है, वी हैव केप्ट आवर पोजीशंस वेरी लाइट. तो जैसे होगा लाइक आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अनदर 10 पॉइंट्स, दैट्स इट, नॉट मोर देन 10 पॉइंट्स. तो वैसे ही वी आर वेरी गुड विद बैंक निफ्टी, ऑलमोस्ट 180 पॉइंट्स ऑलरेडी कैप्चर कर चुके हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्क, नथिंग मेजर. एंड क्योंकि सुबह से ज्यादा डीके मिला नहीं है निफ्टी में, so that's why मैंने फिर से एक 14,800 straddle में एंट्री लिया है. Okay, all right guys, the calls have been spiking up really badly and the puts were not at all decaying. So what we did is we took another 4k loss in this because जब हमने start किए थे we were at somewhere around 4.8k, but अभी इसको close किए and we were down by 4k, which is almost 3 points. So we didn't want to hold on to these positions because निफ्टी में कुछ डीके मिल नहीं रहा to be exact. So हमने क्या किया है, we are still holding on to the Bank Nifty positions which has given almost 190 points of decay. 190 points decay दिया है Bank Nifty, so we're gonna hold on to this position for some more time. देखते क्या होता है. But as of Nifty is concerned, I'm not very comfortable, trading Nifty now because IT is just moving like there's no tomorrow. Just because Bank Nifty is silent today, Bank Nifty range पे पड़ा है, only because of that Nifty is kind of slightly manageable. I'm not saying manageable, but because the call side IVs are spiking really bad, and also the Reliance is also kind of forming a pattern here, right? Reliance भी almost अभी एक breakout दे चुका है, and if Reliance also starts breaking out, so it's going to be extremely difficult for us to manage because volumes are also picking up and the time is also 2 o'clock. So we don't want to, get stuck in some crazy call IV spike. So we have come out. We didn't take any damage even on a day where the market rallied 2% close to close basis. Okay, you can say 1.5% close to close basis. Even then we didn't take much of the damage here. Charges में एक 4,000 रुपए charges में गया रहेगा. Part of the game. You can't do much about that. Right, guys, looks like everything is moving in tandem now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just exit it. ओके, सो हमने सारे पोजीशंस एग्जिट कर चुके हैं बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट द काइंड ऑफ मूव वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग एंड डेफिनेटली हमारे प्लान के अगेंस्ट है. सो वी हैव बुक्ड अराउंड 12.5k profits in Bank Nifty, and we have booked close to somewhere around nothing we have booked actually. In fact, we have lost in this. We have lost around 3 or 4k in charges. So definitely not a day for the non-directional traders because call IVs का spiking काफी ज्यादा हो चुका है. So let's see guys, like since we didn't get any DK from the Nifty side, all we did is to manage some of the DK from the Bank Nifty ends. So 278 and 533, यहाँ पे 30 points and यहाँ पे 15 points. Okay, we must have lost around 10-15 points in the slippages. So that's okay, I guess. That's fine. After this kind of momentum, I am expecting some sort of a calm and silent market tomorrow. तो कल आएंगे, कल hedges के साथ quantity ज़्यादा रखेंगे and we'll trade with the hedges and we'll see what can be done tomorrow. But as of now, I think this is gonna be the end of my trading day. The time is 2:10. So खाना खाएंगे, अच्छे से सोएंगे. चलो guys, see you in the next video.